Hey guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I'm Caitlin, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really awesome at-home orange chicken recipe that literally tastes just like the stuff you get from your favorite Chinese restaurant. It's made at home, it's super easy, it's not complicated at all, and you're going to love it. We're going to make a really easy orange sauce, and we're going to pan fry some chicken, and then we're going to have our homemade Chinese food. So let's get started making our sauce. We're going to put in about a tablespoon of sesame oil, and then add 1 cup of an orange juice. After that, we're going to add a little bit of garlic paste in, just like a dollop of so, and half a cup of sugar. Then we're going to add in about a cup of a sweet chili sauce. You can easily find that in your food store. And then we're going to add in a little bit of garlic powder and red pepper flakes. Red pepper flakes, definitely do it to your preference. So if you want it to be extra spicy, go ahead. But it's a great way to cool the dish down if you don't want it to be too spicy as well. Last ingredient, 2 tablespoons of a rice vinegar. And I lied, we're going to do about a tablespoon of soy sauce. Then we're going to whisk all this together and allow it to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes on medium heat. In a separate dish, you're going to take 1 tablespoon of a cornstarch and add 2 tablespoons of water. You're going to then whisk this together to make a paste to thicken up our orange sauce. So just whisk, whisk, whisk until you have a nice paste. After this is blended well, we're going to just put it in to our sauce that's already cooking and whisk it together until it thickens up. If your sauce is not getting thick, then you might just need to make a little bit more of that mixture. So go ahead and try to do that again and just kind of whisk it in until it gets nice and thick for you. And now it's time to fry up our chicken. You could either use cubed chicken breast or chicken thighs or slice up anything. You just want some nice pieces of your chicken for this dish. We're gonna take 1 egg and add some salt and pepper, whisk it together, and then add our chicken to the egg. Then we're gonna take 1/3 cup of a flour and 1/3 cup of a cornstarch, blend it together, and then dredge our chicken in it. After that, we're gonna heat our oil to 375 degrees, drop our chicken in, and fry it up until golden brown. Once your chicken is fried, your sauce should be nice and hot. You're gonna toss it together in a bowl, and you have yourself delicious homemade orange chicken. I know there's probably many ways to make orange chicken, but this is how I make it. So of course, I'm not trying to step on anyone's toes, but it's a really fun at-home recipe, and I'm sure you're gonna enjoy it. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one every week. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.